Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to start the chapter 5. We already discussed about in chapter 5 the characteristics of capital market, then mega capital market, then kinds of capital market. Okay, what are the characteristics of capital market? The securities of market. Securities of market means that is on the basis of that related to bond share debentures and price on the basis of demand supply. Then location which is located. Okay, for example, the firm based vacancy. Okay, so participants, who are the participants? Government sector, government banks, then individual corporate companies. These are the participants. Next one, location. Next one, location is already discussed. Okay, market. The market financial asset. So one of the market for financial asset. This is way of there is buying and selling of shares. Next one, kinds of. Okay, what are the kinds of financial market? Primary and secondary. Primary means public issue, right issue, then private placement. These are the kinds of capital market. Now, I am going to start the functions of capital market. Okay, so in this function, the function of capital market is a crucial significance of capital formation. It's a crucial significance of capital formation. It's a crucial significance of capital formation. Crucial significance of capital formation. Okay, crucial significance of capital formation. So one of them we have already is one of the speed. Increase the speed economic development. So speed economic development. Increase the speed economic development means when the company invested in shares, when the company introduced in shares, the buyers are buying particular shares. Okay, so already automatically increase the capital formation, increase the capital economic growth. Okay, so this is the meaning of the capital market. Okay. Next one, the first functions. What is the first function? Savings and capital formation. What is the first function? Savings and capital formation. Savings and capital formation. Saving. Saving and save capital formation. Formulate பண்றாங்க. For economic. Economic. That is the increase the economic development. Increase the economic development. Capital formation. Okay, so first, this is the first function. Savings capital market is a various type of securities help to mobilize savings from that is a various sectors, the various sectors of population. Various sectors of population, that is individual, corporate, then government banks and government banks and government sectors. Okay, so is order to mobilize your savings, mobilize your funds. Okay, so the various types, we have the various types of capital securities. So these securities will help to mobilize these securities. These are securities, some bonds, shares, debentures. These securities are help to mobilize your what? Your savings. Okay, then also capital formation. That is the speed economic development. Speedy economic development. Okay, then it gives reasonable return and liquidity in some cases. What is the liquidity? Easily converted into cash. Okay, so what is the savings capital formation? The savings capital formation என்னன்னா இதுல நிறைய capital market இருக்குப்பா, நிறைய securities இருக்கு. அந்த securitiesல என்ன பண்ணோம்? அது என்னடா இருக்கு? Bonds, shares, debentures. இந்த bonds and debentures will help to mobilize your funds, mobilize your savings, and also it gives reasonable return and liquidity in stock exchange. Okay, what is liquidity? That is easily convert into cash. Okay, so this is and also speed economic development. Okay, second savings. What is the second function? Permanent capital. Permanent capital. The permanent capital means It's not the existence of capital market or stock exchange enables companies to rise capital market, to rise permanent capital. Okay, this capital market to rise the permanent capital, not the temporary capital. Permanent capital means when you are going to invest any amount, additional capital means anything, any month. So you have to take this capital market, you have to take this amount. The amount எடுத்துக்கலாம். Okay, that's a permanent. Okay, so the stock exchange, the stock results, the stock exchange also results your and increase your permanent capital. Okay, so on the basis of offering your shares, on the basis of offering your opportunity and buying selling of shares. Okay, so and also increase your capital market. It is a permanent capital. So this capital market exchange enables, stock exchange enables you raise your capital market. That is called permanent capital. This permanent capital you have when you are going to invest any month at any date, you have to take this amount. That is called increase your capital market. புரியுதுங்களா? So எப்படி தேவைப்பட்டாலோ இந்த amount that is permanent இருக்கும். எப்பனா மாறாது. That is not temporary. That is not temporary. This is permanent capital. Okay. Next one, industrial growth. Next one, industrial growth. Industrial growth. So we are discussing the savings. The savings is the mobilize your savings. Mobilize on the basis of we have various types of financial securities. On the with the help of securities, you have to save, mobilize your savings. Okay, permanent capital means permanent. Increase your capital. Permanent means when you are going to invest anything, you have to take this amount. That's permanent capital. Industrial capital growth. So they related to industrial growth. Industrial, when you are going to increase your industrial capacity, industrial capacity and recruit expert laborers. Okay, then you have to install new machineries and new methods. Okay, with the help of capital market, you have to invest on, you have to install your new machines, recruit a lot of laborers, expert labor. So that is the mobilizing and your funds. Mobilizing your, so you have to mobilize for investment and the corporate securities. Okay, so you have to encourage also investment. You have to encourage also investment in your stock exchange. Okay, then also the productive use of the productive means you have to increase your productive. Okay, then only you have to increase your industrial growth. Okay, so this is எப்படி இன்வெஸ்ட் பண்றீங்கன்னா இன்வெஸ்ட் பண்ணி உங்க இண்டஸ்ட்ரி growth இம்ப்ரூவ் பண்றீங்க. இத இன்வெஸ்ட் பண்றீங்க ஷேர் இன்வெஸ்ட். Okay, so this is the third functions of capital market. That is industrial growth. Next one is ready and continuous market. Ready and continuous market. Ready and continuous market. Ready and continuous market. The stock is provided convenient place. Stock is provided convenient place, and also so the rate when you are going to buy or when you are going to sell your shares, ready. It's ready to buy and ready to share. Buy ready to share, ready to sell. Okay, sale of your shares. Okay, so buyers are exchange your share easily. That is called ready and continuous. Easily purchase and easily sales. Okay, so that is the ready and continuous. So what is the continuous market? Okay, what is another chain? What is the continuous market? You have the easy marketability, easy investment, you invest in your shares, and because of ready and continuous market. Okay, when you are going to purchase any shares and easily invest in your shares in the market, and also then easily purchase, then easily exchange your shares, where buyers and sellers exchange your shares easily. அவ்வளவுதான். ஒரு buyers வந்து ஈஸியா ஷேர் பண்ணி இன்வெஸ்ட் அப்படினா பர்சேஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். அதுதான் என்னது? That is called ready and continuous market. புரியுதுங்களா? So next, reliable guide to performance. Reliable guide to performance. Reliable guide to performance. இல்லனா பார்த்தா ஈஸியா எப்படினா பர்சேஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஈஸியா பர்சேஸ் பண்ணி ஈஸியா சேல்ஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். இல்லனா பார்த்தா இண்டஸ்ட்ரி growth, இந்த இண்டஸ்ட்ரி வந்து இம்ப்ரூவ் ஆகுது. அதாவது இண்டஸ்ட்ரி growth மீன்ஸ் என்னது? அவங்க எகனாமிக் லெவல் இன்கிரீஸ் எகனாமிக் லெவல். இங்க பார்த்தா பெர்மனன்ட் ரைஸ். இங்க பார்த்தா mobilize, not short form. They are going to write this questions. Okay, how to use this mobilize, raise, then increase, then easy, then reasonable guide. Reliable guide to performance. The reliable guide to performance is that you have to, that is a reliable thing. It's not, you have trust. When you are going to invest in your shares, that's a reliable shares. Okay, they are going to invest in capital market. That is important. That is reliable is very, very important. Trust with the shares, trust with the company. Okay, so thereby promotes your efficiency. That promotes your efficiency and effectiveness. Promotes your trust. Okay, so promotes your efficiency, promote your marketability. Okay, so there is a reliable guide to perform. Promote. The important concept is promote. Okay. Next one is sixth functions are financing, capital market. Okay, what is the sixth function? Proper channelization of funds. Proper channelization. Not blurry. Not you have to take invest in any other sectors. Okay, you have to invest in that is a particular sector. Particular sector means that is for example, for trend analysis, you have to make some trend analysis. Okay, this one medical related companies are the biggest shares are that is a high, increase a high level. Okay, so that is a proper channelization. The capital market also, the exchange, stock exchange also give compensation to the shareholders. Okay, that is a proper channelization of funds. Okay, proper channelization of funds. Proper channelization of funds. Okay, so the prevailing market price of the security, the prevailing market the price of security, the relative yield. Yield means for return. Okay, relative yield or the guiding perform. Guiding. What is the guiding? Proper channelization. Guiding factors. What are the guiding proper channelization guiding factors? Then, so when you are going to invest. When you are going to invest the shares into the business, the capital market will help to proper channelization of funds. Okay, proper channelization, effective utilization of shares, effective channelization of shares. That is the effective. What is the proper channelization? The proper channelization. That is the effective utilization of the funds. Okay, so no need to take any risk. Okay, so that is a reduce the risk. That is called proper channelization of funds. Next, provision of various securities. Provision of variety of services. Variety of services. The financial market also, when entrepreneur invest any amount into the shares and start any business, so it gives the capital market also provide proper instruction, proper notice to the that entrepreneur, that investors, that company owners. Okay, so variety of service, loan providing, then guiding some instructions according to SEBI guidelines. Okay, so giving proper, that is mobilize the funds, then for helping marketability, helping help to the advertisement, then provide loans. Okay, provide loans, then market your products. Okay, then advertisements. Okay, so this is things you have to the problem market have to take these three things. Okay, variety of the services. Loan provider to the entrepreneurs. Properties to the entrepreneurs. This is the provision of variety of service. Okay, next one, development of backward areas. Next, development of backward areas. So, capital market provides funds for capital backward areas. Okay, so the development of backward areas. Or backward, that is when the government or the single person wants to develop the particular area, the government also develop the particular government backward areas. The capital market also will help to that intention. Okay, so this is called development. This is one of the functions of capital market. This is one of the functions of capital market. Okay, so providing help and for example, in case you start any heavy project into the investment, heavy project, that is heavy amount investment into the particular areas. You can start one project. Entrepreneur want to start a project. So you want to you want to increase and development of particular development backward areas. These capital market also will help proper channelization of your funds. Okay, that is called as development of backward areas. Okay, next one, foreign capital. Next one, foreign capital. Foreign capital, the person want to invest in foreign companies. That is foreign. That is related to FTA, foreign direct investments. Okay, so I want to invest on start companies. The particular companies are investing in your country, or you are also start in your other area, other countries. That is called as FTA. Okay, so FTA also you have to increase. Okay, that will also the particular person also increase on the basis of capital market. Capital also helpful or will provide proper guidance to foreign capital. Okay, so is also increase the economic development of the country because when you are going to start any project, any product into the particular other countries. Okay, so these FDI also will help to this developed countries. On the basis of your capital market. Okay, so this is the next functions of capital market. Next one, easy liquidity. Next one, easy liquidity. What is liquidity? What is liquidity? Tell me, what is liquidity? Liquidity means is easily converted into cash. That is called liquidity. Okay, so the investors sell of their holding shares, holding and convert into shares. Okay, holding or converting shares. The investor or that is a sell of holding or convert into shares. That is called liquidity. Okay, easily convert into cash. Commercial banks also will help to these functions. Okay, so this is the functions of capital. Okay, first one is savings and mobilization. Next one is permanent capital. Next one is industrial growth and ready and continuous market. Ready and easy invest பண்ணிக்கலாம். இப்ப invest பண்ணிக்கலாம். Okay, then reliable guide to performance. Random வந்து அவர் இன்வெஸ்ட் பண்றாங்க. So they trust, they will trust against particular shares. Okay, though next one proper channelization. Proper channel means entrepreneur, loan provider to the entrepreneurs, then guidance providing the entrepreneurs, then notice to the entrepreneurs, okay, then advertisements, marketability of entrepreneur, marketability of product. Okay, so this is the proper challenges of funds. Next one, provision of variety of service. This also loan provide and marketability. Okay, development backward areas. Development backward areas means you have to develop backward areas. You have to start with project in the backward areas. So, entrepreneur also will be there. Okay, that's a development backward areas. Next one, foreign capital. Foreign capital also you have to invest in foreign companies and also start any you have to start any branches in foreign, and also the foreign companies also invest in your country. That is also FDI. The country foreign capital also increase on the basis of easy liquidity. Easy liquidity means easy converted cash, holding and converted into shares. Okay, that is called as easy. These are the functions of capital market. Next, I am going to start the Indian capital market evaluation and growth. Okay, Indian capital market evaluation and growth. Okay, Indian capital market. Indian capital market evaluation and growth. Okay, so the period between 1947 to 1973, the period between 1947 to 1973. In this time, the development infrastructure, the development of our Indian infrastructure for capital market. So this is the time to infrastructure, development of infrastructure. The time என்ன பண்ணாங்கன்னா அவங்க நம்ம இந்தியாவோட இன்ஃப்ராஸ்ட்ரக்சர் டெவலப் பண்ண விரும்புறாங்க. ஓகே, சோ இத டெவலப் பண்ணாங்க. ஓகே, சோ அப்ப என்ன மாதிரி what is the way of what are the way of increase the investments? Okay, development of infrastructure. Okay, so during this period the network what are networks? UTI, IDB, Industry Development Banks of India, ICCI, okay, then IFCI, okay, so then UTI, Unit Trust India, okay, that these are the banks provided some proper funds to increase the infrastructure, okay, so and STC, SIBC and these are the institutions will help to the development of the infrastructure. Okay, this is the development first concept 1947 to 1970. Next, during the period between 1980 to 1992, during 1980 to 1992, this time during this period, reserve mobilization of funds and savings and mobilization, increase the savings and mobilization. Okay, and the time also the government introduced the particular time the government introduced SEBI. Okay, the Security Exchange Board of India. This organization only provide lot of guidance to the companies and banks. Okay, the SEBI regulation. Okay, so that's a effective increase the effectiveness of companies, the effectiveness of banks mobilization of funds. Okay, number of companies here, number of companies also were constituted in order to suggest lot of resolution and increase the economic development. Okay, this is a way of government and development of infrastructure. What are the functions or what are the important things in the from 1992 during this time, this period, increase infrastructure, increase economic growth and infrastructure, that is total increase in activity sectors and other sectors. Okay, during this period, okay, increase economic growth. This is the evaluation growth of Indian capital market. Okay, next, new financial institutions. Okay, so this financial institution will help to increase the in order to increase the credit buying in the credit requirements. Okay, so the various segments. So what are the various segments? that is a venture capital. That is a venture fund in the institution. Venture fund. First one is the institution will help to credit, increase the credit credit requirements. Okay. So the first one, venture fund institutions. Venture capital financing is the form of equity financing. It's the form of equity financing will help to, that is the funding new and innovative projects. So we are going to start on the new companies or new ideas. So the venture fund institution also will help to the particular entrepreneurs or particular proprietor, particular owners. Okay. On some other banks, STBI, then IDBI, SIDBI, that is a State Industry Development Bank of India, then IFRS Financial Corporation of India. Okay. So venture fund. Okay. So these are the banks will provide. Proper guidance to the entrepreneurs. Okay. The second one is mutual fund. இது என்ன பார்த்தா venture fund என்ன பார்த்தா ஒரு பிசினஸ் ஆரம்பிக்கிறாங்க, ஒரு ஆங்கிள் பிசினஸ் ஆரம்பிக்கிறாங்க, அவங்களுக்கு ப்ராப்பர் கைடன்ஸ் யார் கொடுக்குறா? வெஞ்சர் பேங்க்ஸ் கொடுக்குறாங்க, வெஞ்சர் ஃபண்ட்ஸ். அதாவது ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் STBI, SIDBI. ஓகே. ஸோ SIDC, State Industrial Development Corporations. Okay. So these are the banks. Next one, mutual fund. It is a pool of investments. Mutual fund is one of the provide facilities and channelizing provide facilities. Okay. There's a provide facilities and channelizing and savings your funds. Okay, that is called mutual funds. There's a pool of amount. Okay, there's a pool of amount. Okay. So next, this is another benefit. One of the benefit also increase your fund and mobilization of funds. Okay, these were funds and mobilization of funds. Okay, so for example UTI, IFCI, okay, IFCI, these are the banks are also invest in the amount. Banks are mobilizing the funds. Okay, so it is easy to take our funds, which that is a total amount, maturity amount you have to take in the next year or current year. Okay, so that is called as mutual fund. Mutual fund means there is a full amount you have to take any that is one of the saving. Okay, one of the saving or one of the you have to invest in shares. Okay, so for example UTI, Unit Trust of India, then Financial Corporation of India, this also provide proper guidance to the is mutual fund. Okay, so one of the saving of this. Next one, factoring institution. Factoring institutions. Factoring institutions. The factoring institutions, the factory is an arrangements. Factory is an arrangements. It is one of the arrangement of financial institution provides proper channelizing, proper financial accommodation. Proper financial accommodation. So the proper financial accommodation. Proper financial accommodation. Okay. Proper financial accommodation and collect your bad debts and collect your debt amount from the other persons. So one of factor and factoring. Okay, factor and factoring. Okay, so this is the way of factoring. This is the way of collecting your funds. In case you have the particular creditors have a lot of debts from the other persons, the factor institution only collect all the debts. Okay, so next one is OTCI, over the counter exchange of India. OTCI, over the counter exchange of India. It's called the investors have any problem. This institutional will provide proper instruction to the investors. In case they have some stress, they have some how did they invest in shares or a lot of problems investment SaaS. Okay, the particular institution only will help to the investors. This is another OTCI. But problem இருக்கு, அவங்களுக்கு எப்படி இன்வெஸ்ட் பண்ண தெரியல, அதாவது நிறைய பயம், fearness இருக்கு. So the OTCI only will help throughout the yeah. Okay, so then easy transparency. Stands the transaction. Okay. So, if for example stock is in let's say light telecast on the sharing shares and increase that by reducing shares. Okay. For example 16.28, 17.28. This is the way of loading. That's a loading of telecast light telecast on the shares. Okay. This start is the right telecast on the shares. Okay. That is the transparency transactions. Okay. National Stock Exchange India. National Stock Exchange of India. As you want, National NSEI. National Stock Exchange of India. Stock Exchange of India. Of India. National Stock Exchange of India. It also provides proper section of proper trading system. So electronic screen, not the electronic screen, already told. So the electronic screen, they display shares. Okay, the particular company shares. Okay, the increase or decrease. That is the national system activity. What is the function of national stock exchange in India? So display some electronic screen. They display all the company shares. Display that is the increase or decrease. Okay, so this is called the National Stock Exchange of India. Okay, next National Clearance Depository. National Clearance Depository. Okay, the fifth one is National Clearance Depository System. National Clearance Depository. Okay, National Clearance Depository. So national trade means clearing your shares. Clearance when you are not able to purchase, you are not to buy that shares. The particular national trade only, the depository system only will help to the particular shares. Okay, then settlement of the shares. In case you want to buy, you want to sell your shares, the brokerage trading companies. That one companies are settlement your shares. Okay, that is the National Depository Clearance Depository. Next one, National Securities Depository. National Security Depository. Also you have to, that is what the securities. The securities means shares, bonds, debentures. Okay, so these shares and debentures will help to one of the new financial institutions. Okay, buying and selling of shares. Okay, the time then new investor invest in the shares and selling the shares. Okay, so National Depository, that is a National Securities Law. Securities Law means increase your shares, buying your shares. Okay, that is the next new financial institution. Next one, stock holding companies. The next is eighth one is stock holding. Stock holding is one of the financial institutions. These financial related to the capital market. So the transaction, the only respect of the particular stock holding corporate companies are take only responsibility of buying and selling of shares. That is one of the corporation. This is one of the administration. These having a lot of responsibility. This organization only will take lot of action. Will take lot of how to buy and selling of shares. This is called as financial institution. So financial institution, the first one is venture fund, mutual fund, banking institution, financial corporations. The pool, there is a banking means that is a collecting debt. Okay, what is here? There is a display screen, electronic screen. They provide easy. That is called as transparency. Easy transfer. Transparency are called. Okay, how they என்னென்ன கம்ப்யூட்டர் ஷேர்ஸ் எப்படி போயிட்டு இருக்கு transparency, that electronic screen, the display electronic screen. National Stock Exchange also display electronic screens. Okay, so next one, clearance deposit. Next one, clearance means clearing your shares. That is settlement of shares. National Securities Deposit means securities. Okay, that is a you have to at the time when you are going to buy, and selling of shares, set up that is set up in the year. National Stock Exchange Depository Limited set up in the year. Then achieving the time on is called as financial institutions. Okay. I hope you are very understand this capital market, chapter 5 capital market. So functions of the capital market. Okay, today we discuss about functions of the capital market and financial institutions. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you for listening to my video.